Case name Ishwar and age is 25 years. Today date is 6 March 2026. I want speech sample before starting voice therapy. Why you came here? What problem you are facing?
So sir, actually I have an issue of high-pitched voice. Like when I'm speaking to a person through phone or in person, they think I'm a female. So that is the main reason I consulted. I came here for voice therapy.
Post-therapy video of Ishwar, and today date is 13th of March 2026. So Ishwar, why you came and how do you feel after the voice therapy?
So I had earlier I had an high-pitched voice issue. So because of which, like whenever I speak with people in person or through phone, people used to think I'm a female. But after therapy, it literally got changed. I mean, a 180 shift, I would say. The bass has increased in my voice and the clarity is also increased. So I'm literally very happy after the therapy.
So what comments you got when you spoke to your friends and relatives after the voice therapy?
Yeah, when I spoke with my mother and my family, they were quite shocked to see the change in my voice. And yeah, everybody felt the difference that after the therapy, whatever change has happened, everybody felt that.
So from which place you came?
I came from Andhra Pradesh, but recently shifted to Bangalore.
Okay, so what is your mother tongue?
Telugu.
So can you tell in few lines in Telugu what was the problem? How do you feel?
So నాకు ముందు నా వాయిస్ కొంచెం హై పిచ్గా ఉండేది. సో నేను మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు అమ్మాయి మాట్లాడుతున్నట్టు అనుకునేవాళ్ళు. నేను అందుకు సంజయ్ సార్ దగ్గర వాయిస్ థెరపీ కోసం వచ్చాను. 8 days వాయిస్ థెరపీ తర్వాత నాకు చాలా డ్రాస్టిక్ చేంజ్ వచ్చింది వాయిస్లో. సో అందరూ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా చాలా షాక్ అవుతుంది. అంటే అదొక ఆ చేంజ్ చూసి సూపర్ అనుకుంటున్నారు.
Okay, thank you so much, and thanks for recommending our center also. So can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Sure, sir. Sure.
Thank you. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see positive changes, like the video, share this video, so the people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to the right place for their voice disorder management. Thanks for watching.